Hello everyone, welcome to gmailfiend. First of all, thank you for watching this video. If you're new here, please don't forget to click the subscribe button down below or check our channel for more videos like this. Okay, so for today's video, I'll be showing you how to change the email format or how to compose and change the template or format of your email. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing that you'll do is, of course, log into your Gmail account. Next is click Compose, where you will be directed to this new message. So what you're going to do is click this like full screen so you can easily see how you type your message. Here we can see that you can edit the recipient and of course the subject, and I have already typed my message. So here's how you can change the formatting. Here below you can already see a lot of choices where you can change it or customize it. It automatically pops up, but you can also click it this part so it would be hidden. But these are the formatting options. So we have here the font, the size. You can either choose to make your text bold, italic, and etc. So first, what you're going to do is highlight the specific text. You can also do this before you type the text, but you can also do this when you're done typing the text. So let's see and change the font. We have here a lot of choices to choose from. These are the default fonts from Gmail. Like for example, I want to choose white. As you can see, it's already changed. You can also use another font for the next part. So you can like highlight the message that you want to change the font. So you can also reduce the size. We have small, normal, large, and huge. As you can see, the huge is very huge, and the small is, of course, small. So you can also choose to change the background color of the text and also the text color. You can also choose to align left, align center, and align right your messages. Here you can put a numbered list, a bullet list, or even indent it less and indent it more. You can also quote, like for this one, if you want to highlight a specific text that you want to quote, and you can also strike through your messages, like this one. And you can also remove the formatting like this. So that's very easy. As you can see, you can customize all the text that you want to send or all the emails with the use of the Gmail default formatting. So we hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please do leave a like, comment, share it to your friends, and subscribe. See you on our next video. Bye!